I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yellow wine. First, prepare your glutinous rice by soaking it for at least 1 hour, then steam it for about 30 minutes until it's fully cooked. Next, spread the cooked rice on a tray to cool completely, ideally overnight, as warm rice can lead to a sour taste. Finally, take your wine biscuits and grind them into a fine powder, which is crucial for the fermentation process. Now let's set up for fermentation. In a clean, sterilized ceramic pot or glass jar, begin layering the cooled rice with the powdered wine biscuits. Make sure to create a small well in the center of the rice mixture. Once layered, cover the pot and place it in a cool spot for the initial fermentation. For about 3 days, check daily and gently wipe away any accumulated condensation inside the lid. After the initial 3 days, gently stir the rice mixture. Then, allow the fermentation to continue for an extended period, ideally between 45 and 60 days, to develop a richer flavor. Once fermentation is complete, it's time to extract the wine. Use a clean cheesecloth to press the liquid into a separate, clean pot, carefully separating it from the solid rice residue. Remember not to press too firmly to avoid excess sediment. For the final steps, gently bring your extracted yellow wine to a quick boil. This crucial step stops any further fermentation and pasteurizes the wine. Once it has cooled completely, carefully transfer the wine into clean, sterilized glass bottles. For optimal aging and flavor development, store your bottled yellow wine in a cool, dark place, maintaining a consistent temperature between 12 and 18 degrees Celsius.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.